Hey everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today, I have a nice halo of fall inspired makeup look. So if you want to see how to get it, let's get to it. So for the face, off camera, I already put on my Cover FX Mattifying Primer. I also added to my problem areas the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Then to conceal a little more, I use this Neutrogena concealer and this eye brightening perfector under my eye. Love both of those products. Then to set my under, I use some Airspun, and then everywhere else on my face, I use the Rimmel Stay Matte. I love this combination. Oh yeah, brows. I used my nice brow powder duo from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I applied with this nice angle brush and the spoolie to get those brows where they need to go, and some Tinted Brow Gel. It's a must. Latte palette today. So first taking vanilla cream all over my lid. Then I'm going to use some caramel just into the crease. Same place, I'm going to apply pumpkin spice. All right, I'm liking it so far. Then from here, I'm gonna pick up the hazelnut and just deepen and darken up that nice crease. Now with some mocha, same thing. There's a lot of layering, a lot of adding, and then right here, a lot of blending out. Then from here, I went ahead with a pencil brush and added pumpkin spice on the inner and outer corner. This is gonna help with the nice halo effect, and of course, continue on to the second eye. Then I'm going to pick up hazelnut, do the exact same thing. And then once I'm done with the hazelnut, the inner and outer corner of the eye, I'm also going to use mocha. So use the same brush for this and just keep applying and layering, adding all the colors and blending them in nice and seamlessly. And yeah, that's what we got so far. And then now we're gonna move on to the really glamorous part. I'm gonna pick up a shader brush like this and some Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to apply this right to the middle of my eye, not too far to the inner corner, not too far out to the outer corner, and not too high. We want to make sure all those nice burnt orange colors are seen, so you don't want to hide any of them, because that's going to help for you to really get your halo effect. Now we're going to go ahead and pack on some Macchiato. I love this shade. It's so creamy and so pigmented, so easy to work with. I love it. Then to blend out the inner and outer corner, right there at the seam of Macchiato, I'm using hazelnut, and then I'm also using mocha. So keep blending, 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 so those colors really like mesh into each other really well. Oh yes, and some more blending. Groove into the under eye. So very sloppily, I'm adding pumpkin spice to the inner and outer corner. Picking up that same shader brush and some Tarte Shape Tape, I'm adding that to the middle of my lower lash line. And then, you guessed it, Macchiato, packing it on. Now for the outer corner and the inner corner, I'm going to blend out first with some hazelnut, and then I also did pick up some mocha as well. Once all that blending is done, oh, I'm sorry, you're not done blending. You gotta blend some more. Off camera, I also went ahead and added some liquid eyeliner with a mid-wing and some falsies. Ooh, and one coat of mascara. And of course, we're not done glamming it up yet. We got some more to do. Moving on to contour. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, using those two bottom colors, and some blush. This is like my favorite blush. It is Mellow Mauve from e.l.f. Go ahead and spritz some setting spray. I'm using a NYX brand setting spray today. And one of my favorite things to do, fan it out, fan it out. Oh wait, now hold on. This is like my favorite thing to do. I'm adding some highlight on the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose there, and the cheekbones. Oh, look at this. It just like shines and it glistens, and oh, it's beautiful. So this is the Amrezy Highlight, of course, a little bit into the inner corner, and of course, sexy, sexy time. Oh my gosh, and sometimes, whoop, I get a little carried away. Now for the liquid lipstick. This is from Kat Von D. The shade is in Hilda. I love this color, and it just complements the makeup look so well. Once we're done adding that, I'm gonna go ahead and swoosh my hair a little bit, and that is it. Thanks for watching, everyone, and all my curl friends and all of my makeup lovers. I hope you guys come back this Monday for a new video. And if you did enjoy today's video, be sure to hit that like button. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again, everyone, for hanging out with me, and take care. Bye.
Let's do this. Yeah. It's after coffee. I like it. I like it a lot. Come on, curls, participate. Oh, I guess you are trying to participate. Maybe cooperate. What's next? Oh, yep, coating the bottom lashes. Bulbous nose? Who, me? Nope, not today.